Hey guys, my name is Danish and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in a different location, which is not my house, obviously, because all of the blue and something beautiful over here and this big boy. So I am at my brother's place and I'm here because we built a special beast for him, the beast sitting right behind me. So this is a computer that the two of us spec'd out and he ordered the parts and I built it. My first PC build, I can't say it was a complete success, but I learned a lot of things and I'm more confident now in building a lot more PCs. So if anybody wants me to build a PC for them, I'll build it for you guys. Just buy the parts, okay? I'm not buying the parts. I'm not that rich. If we are talking about PC configurations, you'll always need to know the specs of this PC. So I have the specs right here. So this is a Ryzen 5 3600 XT. So this is the boosted and higher build version of the 3600X, which was launched a couple of months ago, and we didn't go for the 5000 series because it would take too long because of logistics here in India. And paired with that, we have the ASUS TUF B550M motherboard. So this is the Wi-Fi edition, and pairing with these two, we have the RTX 2060, specifically the MSI RTX 2060 XS Ventus. So I got this card for him because it is a normal twin fan cooler and it was the cheapest I could find with a reputed brand. So yeah, I don't have any fancy reasons for that. And coming on to RAM, we have a single stick of G.Skill Ripjaws 5 at 3600 MHz CL18. So I chose 3600 MHz so that we could run it at 1:2 ratio to the Infinity clock, which runs at 1800 MHz. You can learn a lot more about that Linus made, so I'll link his video up here. And coming to storage, we have the Crucial P1 500GB NVMe SSD. So this is the PCIe Gen 3, not Gen 4. And we have a duo combo of Corsair. So the case is the Corsair Spec 5 powered with the Corsair CV 550 watt power supply. This is an 80 plus bronze power supply, so no worries about reliability and efficiency. The final component is the Windows 10 Home license, which was around 9,000. Yes, 9,000 rupees. So all in all, this whole complete package was 1 lakh rupees. So this is not just a slouch machine. So this is a killer specification for that price point. And my brother was always considering getting a laptop of a similar spec, but I talked him out of it. PCMR for the win. So yeah, it was a long few days of building this system because I am not an experienced system builder and this is my first entry into this genre. So the normal parts, all I could go through: the mounting of the PC, the mounting of the CPU, the RAM, the GPU, the storage and everything. I got a few troubles where I was mounting the all-in-one cooler. So this is an all-in-one Cooler Master ML240L RGB edition. So we use the Wraith Stealth just to test the whole system out of the box because the RGB cooler took a long time to get here. So finally we have the RGB cooler in as well, along with an Antec 120mm extra additional fan at the back, which you can see here. We have the all-in cooler vertically mounted with the tubes running from the bottom. So Gamers Nexus made a great video about how to properly mount an AIO, which I'll also link over here. Okay, so that's enough of me talking about. I'm going to let you go through the build montage where I built the whole thing and took shots of each and every specific component that is of real importance. And I have a montage of cable management which will make Linus and Jay proud. So So now for testing, I used Cinebench R20 to check the CPU if it's working properly and boosting to 4 GHz and above, and that was a successful run on the air cooler as well as the IO, and the temperatures were also in check. And I used Unison Heaven for the GPU runs, and I got similar scores of what are posted on the internet, so I can say that is a success as well. And with the 2 fans exhausting through the chassis, I don't think we'll have any cooling issues with the GPU, and the CPU is on an AIO loop, so I don't have to worry about cooling the CPU as well. Coming on to the software issues that I've had here was the Armory Crate app has a bit of an instability run which I have to go through later and sort it out, and I'm going through a lot of forums for that. And the other problem that I'm still having is not being able to enable DOCP, so that is something I have to go deep into and figure out what mistakes I've made. So yeah, other than that, the system is running well. I might have to say, I don't know how much confidence my brother had in me when I built the PC. You can just hear him comment about that right now. Proud owner. Say hi to the camera. Hello. Switch on the PC, please. Are you satisfied with the build?
Yes.
With me building it?
We will see that.
He did not mind because I was busy setting up the camera, setting up the angles and enjoying the whole build process, so it was not a tedious thing for me. And if you really want to get into PC building, there are a lot of tutorials on the internet on how to build a PC, like J2Sense, Linus Tech Tips, who really keep on making PCs on PCs every week, so please go check them out. I'm not an expert on this, they are. So this was my first PC build and it was kind of an awesome experience, and I would do it again, not soon. I don't have the budget to build a PC for myself. Sad noises, but alas, that is the end of the video. Hope you like this video. Give this video a like, get subscribed, comment down below if I missed anything or you want to talk to me. Follow me on my social media channels and stay home, stay safe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.